Hey guys, it's me, Red. Here's another video, and we're bringing the blender back into action. Let's go find it. I forget which cabinet we put it in last. The rules. Let's look at this cabinet. Obviously, it's not in here. Let's look in here. Oh my god, this looks disgusting. There's literally nothing in here. Look at this. This is literally nothing important in here. Let's look in here. Maybe in here. It's all the way up there. Of course, it wouldn't be somewhere accessible. Somewhere easy to get. I'm just gonna take the top. No. This is gonna be a little bit difficult because I'm gonna pause the video for now. Oh, I need 2 hands for this. We're gonna be making, I forgot to tell you guys what we're making today. We're gonna be making a milkshake. Oh no, this cord might be a little bit too long. Okay, so apparently I plugged it in and I don't know if it's gonna work. So today we're gonna be making an Oreo milkshake. I already said that. Let's get the ice cream and the milk. Yeah, I don't even know what she was talking about. I think I know what you're getting at, but this is a little bit hard to open. What do you think about it? Let's take the top off this. Start putting. Oh, you're not getting any of my ice cream in here. We're doing Wubby's ice cream. I said we're doing making an Oreo milkshake, and I'm probably gonna put a little bit of yours in. Okay, so we've got all of our ice cream. I think this is enough. You know, it's enough to get a nice taste. I'm making it look a better angle of what's happening over here. So we're just gonna, let's take the top off. That's what I did. I'm just gonna just dump this in. I think we're ready to blend. I don't like blending things. Okay, we're all locked and loaded, and let's blend. Where's milkshake? Milkshake. Okay, guys, come here. I want you guys to experience this with me. I'm scared. Look at my nice black socks.
2, 1.
Okay, well,
that's looking good though. It smells.
Oh my god, it smells so good.
Let me smell.
No, I don't want you to drop any burgers in it. You can smell it when you get your own. I'm so excited. I thought that this is gonna end up being a disaster, but it actually looks pretty good. But the look doesn't matter. It's the taste. Put a little bit of. Oh no, it's clumpy. It's not ready yet. It's not ready yet. It's not ready yet. It needs to be blended a little bit more. It's clumpy. It's clumpy. Gotta blend it a little bit more. I'm so scared. Is it clumpy? Can't tell.
We'll just taste it and see if it's gross or not.
I don't think it's clumpy anymore. I think. I forgot to put the milk back. Can somebody put the milk back, please? Can somebody put the milk back? Or do you do it?
I'll do it. I'll do it.
Look at my shirt. It's really uncomfortable, but I think I'm starting to get a little bit used to it. Let's give Kaden a little bit first.
I like it.
Yeah, let's give Robbie a little bit. Why is it fizzing? It's fizzing.
What's it's
So I'm a little nervous and excited, so let's try it together, guys. Okay, this is yours, Kaden. This is yours, Wubby. Let's try
this
it.
is like
Mark,
disgusting, but it is good.
Oh my gosh, guys, it tastes so good.
It's in the chocolate milkshake. It is.
This was a complete success. The real cooking videos will be coming out tomorrow. Starting, anyway.
That's so cool.
This tastes delicious.
Make a milkshake of mice tomorrow.
You don't have enough. You guys watching this video, and I'm gonna go post it now. Bye.